Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by gathering what Outlook Express needs: server names, ports, SSL choice, and your credentials. These prevent connection errors. Once done, open Outlook Express and select Tools, then Accounts to add a new mail account. You'll choose POP3 or IMAP depending on where you want messages stored. POP3 downloads, IMAP syncs. Enter the address, username, and password, then move to server details. Make sure to save each screen before testing the connection. Now you configure the critical middle steps: server parameters and folder routing so messages go where you expect. Enter incoming and outgoing server names, change ports to match SSL requirements, and toggle authentication for SMTP. Once set, assign local folders for sent, drafts, and deleted so search and backup behave predictably. Make sure to enable or disable leaving copies on server based on device sync needs. Finally, test by sending a small message to verify both inbound and outbound traffic. Finish by confirming full functionality. Send a test email and pull new mail to check headers and bodies render correctly. Once confirmed, export account settings and backup. DBX files to avoid data loss. Backup simplify restores. If something goes wrong, start troubleshooting. Re-enter credentials, verify port numbers and SSL, and temporarily disable firewall or antivirus that might block ports. If problems persist, check ISP service status and proxy settings. These steps usually reveal and solve the common connection blockers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.